Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I bring you guys a DIY mask. It's very hydrating and it's a great anti-inflammatory because it has two ingredients that really helps with these conditions, and that is honey and oatmeal. There's so many great benefits to oatmeal that dermatologists recommend oatmeal to be used as a cleanser because it contains ingredients that helps with eczema and acne. So I'm going to show you guys how to make it and how to apply this mask, and you can do this every day. They are an excellent homemade remedy because they help exfoliate, hydrate, completely clean the skin. If you guys enjoy DIY face mask videos, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I will be posting more beauty tips and skincare videos. Come with me and let's get this video started. Totally making a mess here, but it's okay because it's so worth it. I'm like truly just like everything is like falling apart. It's definitely a messy one. So now I will let this dry up. Okay guys, so I now wash off my DIY mask and my face feels so clean, so moisturized, so hydrated. I truly love this DIY mask. All you have to do now is just hydrate your skin with your favorite facial moisturizer. I will be using the Hydrogeneous from L'Oreal, and I will just continue hydrating my face. And that's it for this video. I really hope you guys try this out. Please let me know on the comments below. Let me know if you guys try this out, how often you try, because I would love to hear from you guys. I will be posting more videos on DIYs, so I really hope you guys enjoyed it and give it a try. You guys will definitely love it as well. I see you on my next video.